In late 2025, Cyclone Senyar struck Sumatra, and within hours, entire towns were underwater. But experts say the storm wasn't the only cause. Decades of deforestation had already weakened the land. Across Sumatra, forests once acted like natural sponges. When they disappeared, rainwater turned into destructive torrents. Rivers overflowed, hillsides collapsed, and communities were left isolated as waters surged downstream. Thousands lost homes. Some environmental groups blame unchecked logging and mining, while officials deny wrongdoing. But the future can change. Restoring forests and healing watersheds is the key to preventing the next tragedy.